Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to turn on dub in Crunchyroll. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Crunchyroll application on my phone. And this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the home section, you're gonna find some suggested animes. If you go to my list, from here you're gonna find all of your saved animes. In browse, you can browse some lists. For example, this list includes all of the popular animes. Right here, you can browse by anime genre and so on. If you go to simulcasts, you're gonna find some simulcast season animes. And lastly, there is the account section. Right here in this section, you're gonna find all of these settings related to your Crunchyroll account. So basically, guys, in order to turn on dub in Crunchyroll, scroll down and search for preferences. Once you find preferences, under it you're gonna find audio language, subtitles or CC language, and lastly show closed caption. So as you can see guys, in the audio language, I had the Japanese language as my default audio language, and it is the default language in all of the animes. If you want to turn on dub, just click on it and then you're gonna find a list that includes all of the available audio languages. Go ahead and select any audio language that you prefer. In my case, for example, I'm gonna select English and then I'm gonna go back. And as you can see guys, now the changes has been saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.